John, is that a gym bag under your desk?
Yes, it is there since Monday.
Today is Thursday.
I know, I bring it every day, but I never use it.
Me too. My bag is in my car every single day.
I tell myself, I will go after this meeting.
And then there's another meeting.
Exactly, and then it is 6 o'clock.
The gym closes at 7. We still have time today.
But I have one more report to send.
How long does it take?
Maybe 15 minutes?
Okay, I will finish my presentation. That is also 15 minutes.
So at 5:30, we go, together.
Yes, no more maybe tomorrow.
Deal. And this time, the bag leaves my desk.
Finally, that bag is here longer than our new intern.
Okay, 5:30. I will knock on your door.
I will be ready, I promise.